Welcome to our channel Drive Easy. In this video, we share with our viewers the 10 terrifying facts about driverless car technology. Please take a few seconds to subscribe and like us so you can be notified when we upload new videos. We are still a long way from achieving the degree of technical prowess required to achieve autonomous driving. Yes, we've seen self-driving cars accomplish amazing things, but we've also seen how they can go wrong and cause damage. This is not meant to diminish the efforts of manufacturers who have invested millions of dollars in the creation of this technology. Excellent work. Continue to improve it. However, there are other realities that are downright frightening and will prevent some customers from fully accepting self-driving technology. Here's a list of 10 facts that will make you reconsider your views on self-driving automobiles. 10. Rules and regulations. There is no disputing that we are in an evolutionary era right now. Rules and regulations are changed as instances occur and research exposes specific facts. Many producers are currently operating in this market, but there are no safety rules in place due to a lack of relevant information. From a broader viewpoint, this is beneficial to manufacturers because it allows them to test new technology and updates on their vehicles. This is especially bad for customers who are essentially becoming willing test mules for the producers. 9. Potential danger. Companies such as Uber have also been working on self-driving cars. The possibility of autonomous transportation vehicles is also being investigated while waiting in a car. Without a driver to take you to your destination may seem like a good idea. It also exposes the person to crime. In this case, an organized unit can simply attack a vehicle, and the consumer is nothing more than a sitting duck. Consider how simple it would be for criminal squad to plot a heist on a self-driving truck loaded with electronics. 8. Radiation. We've all heard about the long-term dangers of phone and other electronic device radiation. A driverless car's technological equipment list may go on for miles. There are significant components such as LiDAR, radar, GNSS global navigation satellite system, several cameras, and an internal computer that processes and stores live data. Aside from this, there are a slew of sensors, actuators, and systems like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and so on that just add to the existing pool of radiation. Exposure to such quantities of radiation can endanger the health of some people who already have health problems. 7. Transportation, autonomous mode. Self-driving cars are cautious and keep a safe distance from other vehicles. Initially, the roadways will be a mix of human-driven and autonomous vehicles, worsening traffic congestion as well as emissions. The extremely cautious autonomous vehicles will keep their distances and wait for the optimal conditions to move ahead, adding to the existing gridlock. This situation may improve when only autonomous vehicles are on the road, but till then, expect significant delays and large pileups. 6. Careless driving. It's no secret that there are a lot of falls on the road. While the majority of drivers observe traffic laws, there are others who drive recklessly merely for fun. An autonomous automobile is an easy target for someone who purposely cuts you off and refuses to yield. A slow-moving autonomous automobile, on the other hand, can incite wrath in a person since it does not allow him to pass. Humans, like their reactions to situations, are unpredictable. 5. Situations of emergency. While autonomous vehicles can achieve near perfectionism, the roads they will travel on will not. Driverless automobiles require optimum circumstances to operate, which may not always be the case. A poorly defined road crossing, a faulty traffic light, and other factors can cause the car to get confused. Furthermore, in less than ideal conditions, a random pedestrian stepping across the road may not always be noticed by the car. Given the current position, autonomous cars are suitable for driving on highways and motorways. However, this cannot be true for some urban environments. 4. Difficult driving conditions. Driving in the rain or snow is not the same as driving on dry roads on a bright day. To drive safely, a driver must be cautious and constantly feel the automobile and the road. In such cases, an autonomous vehicle will have to process so much data that it will be nearly impossible to match human driving precision. Rain will make it more difficult for the sensors to collect data, and snow on the road will make it more difficult for the car to discern the lanes. 3. System failure. With so many sensors and systems operating at the same time, it's difficult to dismiss the possibility of something going wrong. Glitches or mistakes in the system might cascade and put the entire system to a standstill. Furthermore, driverless cars are constantly connected to each other and the internet in order to advise other cars about roadblocks or traffic. But what about locations where reception is poor? This is still an issue with connected autos. 2. Phishing. An autonomous vehicle linked to the internet, which is no stranger to hacking. Your automobile will essentially be a movable personal box, with massive amounts of data being uploaded to the internet every second. It's another area for hackers to hack and misuse information. Even worse is when someone takes remote control of your car and you end up in an unfamiliar location. This terrifying scenario is entirely plausible and must not be overlooked. 1. Legal responsibility. Minor fender benders can be worked out between the two drivers. But what would happen if there was no driver? Who would be held accountable in the event of a serious accident involving an autonomous vehicle? The consumer trusted the autonomous technology and allowed the car to drive, which resulted in an accident under unusual circumstances. Will the manufacturer accept responsibility for all of their automobiles and settle the lawsuits in this case? Will the AI technology vendor be held accountable? There is now little clarification on this, making it much more difficult to put your trust in self-driving cars. Thank you for watching. If you have learned from this video, then please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.